YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Prime Day is coming up. Prime Day sales are now. Definitely check them out. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got another unboxing. We're going to see what it is. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And here we go. Oh, baby. We got here. Yep, definitely an Amazon thing. This is coming from AngelHalo. RGBCW with AI colorful control. Oh, baby. Give lighting effects more possibilities. Oh, my neighbor's going to be happy about this. And it has an app, optional modes. I'll get my tablet 16 million colors, voice control, the app, music sync, timing, group control. So you can have multiples, groupies, all at once. Depends on where you're going to have it situated. I'm not sure where I'm going to set this up, either in the front or in the back. I don't know yet. Got time to decide. There you go, AngelHalo. Interesting. Oh, we got some stuff in the box. Drop you guys down right there. After this part, I'm going to grab my tablet, set up the apps. We got the stakes for the ground. Definitely going to be using those. Nice packaging. Yep, definitely going to be needing this for the app. Manual. Oh boy. We got some wiring. That's a lot. Then we got the remote right here. I think that's about it for that box. Close it up. Put it right there. Zoom a little bit there. Oh yeah, we got everything out now. Definitely gonna need some AAA batteries. But unless you're using the remote, so either or. Power adapter. Good thing it's plugged, it's covered. There we go. I do believe it is waterproof, IP44. So that's good enough. And we got the mini control box right there. And we got all these bulbs right here. This should be fun. Oh. Okay, there's 3 bulbs. Whoops. I'm just going to set this all up and everything on this video. Then maybe a weekend I'll probably do an outside. Not sure, like I said, where I'm going to set it up. So I'll just get it ready, set up, and everything else. Stakes. So you get 3, 6. Time for tablet. Alright guys, once you get your either cell phone, smartphone, tablet, iPad, download the Lumary app. And once you download that, it's going to ask you for your info. And it's going to send you email confirmation. And then you're all set. Give me a second. It's loading up right about now. Right there. And I'm going to pause you guys. Alright guys, once you're on, I have outdoor lights from other company that uses the same Lumary app. So you just want to add new device. I gotta turn these on in a second. Up here, oh, come on. Add device. And it's gonna scan via Bluetooth. Let me turn this on. plugged it in. There we go. Ooh. Look at that. Super fast. I'm going to add that. I'm going to enter my password. There we go. Being added. So it's very easy to set up, so that's a good thing. And you could do like multiple combinations. Whoa, that was bright. Done. You can always rename it. I might have to do that too, so just for, Alexa or Google, you could rename it so you could know what it is called. Please confirm. I have 1, 2, 3, 6. And 6. Confirm. Oh. Welcome. Oh. Change color. Color. I can zoom this in. You can go music, game. There's a lot of features. You get lost in this all. Turn it off, turn it on. Festival. Christmas, I'm going to shut the lights off. That's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Have it set up your house, outdoors, by your garage, your shed. Pretty cool. Well, yeah, there's a lot of Valentine's, Halloween, Thanksgiving, 4th of July. That's coming up. And we got the remote you can use. And that needs AAA's. And we got the stakes right there, so you're good to go. I'll play it for another few seconds. But birthday parties outdoor, graduation parties, these would be good for birthday parties, bar mitzvahs, you name it. This is really good. Any Chinese holiday, Chinese New Year. Good old Mardi Gras. Yeah, they're really bright. My neighbors are like, what is going on there? Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, all you gotta do is click that link. Be safe. Have a good night.